Hey guys, my name is Khaled and welcome to another video. Today we're looking at a faceplate for the PlayStation 5 which is all black. So let's get into it. As everyone is aware, the PlayStation comes in a two-tone color, so the midsection is black, the two side panels are white. I have a all black case, matte black finish by Alt.Dot Cases. So you can actually pick it up for around £35 in the UK. I'll leave links to the products in the description box below and also alternative versions for the US market. Okay, so you get two faceplates included. On the box you have a QR code where you can scan it in and it gives you instructions of how to install it. You also get a little leaflet which provides you with the same information and for you to leave feedback. So I wasn't actually too sure how to take it off. I went onto YouTube, typed in how to remove PS5 faceplate, and the first video, I believe it was by a guy called Riyadh. Pretty useful, pretty simple as well, so I just followed his instructions. Links again will be in the description box below. So looking at the actual cases itself, it comes nicely padded so it won't get damaged in transit, but here we have the disc version, so there are no significant blemishes and the general finish and quality of it actually feels pretty good. The plastic is somewhat similar to the original PlayStation 5 plates and you've got all the required cutting for the disc insert, etc. Now moving on to the other side, this is all plain, so you'll probably notice there isn't a cutout for the PS5 logo. Pretty obvious, they'll probably get a lawsuit against them. And on the other side we have the inserts that will clip onto the PlayStation 5. Again, very good quality and I just love the matte black finish. So as previously mentioned, I used the guide on YouTube because I was a bit skeptical. I didn't want to damage the PS5 and I haven't done a very good job on this part as well. So you can check his video out and you can see how to uninstall the two side panels. But what you pretty much do is hold near the PlayStation 5 logo, you pull it up and then slide down. So you can see the differences between the original case and the case I bought from a third party company, which are Alt.Dot Cases. Now the installation is actually more easier than taking the cases off, so you have to do everything but in reverse. So you have to make sure the hooks on the side of the case line up and then you sort of slide it to the right until you hear a reassuring click. And that's it, you're pretty much done. Now for the opposite side, you have to hold it on one side at the bottom as well, and you're going to lift it up and then slide it to the left as well, and you have to do that simultaneously. A bit more force required, but pretty easy to take off. And you can also see you've got the hooks there as well, so you just pretty much line it up with your alternative plate, whether it's from Dbrand or somewhere from Amazon, and you just put it back on as normal. Make sure you push it in until you hear a clicking sound. If it doesn't, then it won't be fully inserted. Just a quick tip, please make sure all your hooks are properly aligned, otherwise you'll miss some out like I have done at the bottom. Alright, and now it's fully on, and initial impressions, I think it looks fantastic. And you know, you have that whole illusion if you wear black you look slimmer. I think that's the same case with the PlayStation. The console does actually look significantly slimmer because it has the dark plates on. I am a huge fan and I think it looks fantastic, but there are a couple of points I would like to address. The first one being, you know, the middle section is glossy black, so I would have liked if the company gave some sort of sticker so it could have been matte black all the way around. Secondly, when you put the PlayStation 5 in a horizontal position, on the original cases you have markings so you can align it easily with the squares on the plates. But I guess with a bit of guesstimate you can get it right and it's not too much of an issue, just a bit of work required. Other than that, I'm extremely happy with this product. If you want to buy it, links are in the description box below. As always, stay safe, subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.